Hello, fellow Apollo students. Today we're going to be talking to you about rain dances. Let's begin. Hello, boys. How are you? All right, that's great. May I ask you some questions about rain dances? You guess. Okay, cool. So, what do you think a rain dance is, and when do you believe they were performed?
Rain. When they want it to rain.
A dance that you do in the rain.
In the rain?
In the rain, yeah. Or like to make rain come, maybe.
Where do you think rain dances originated from?
Africa?
I think rain dances probably originated a long time ago, probably in some place that doesn't get a lot of rain, like Africa, where they felt they needed to do dances to bring rain.
Solid. What do you think they wear during this event?
Well, I personally prefer to wear a shirt and tie, because I think the more seriously I take the rain dance, the more seriously the gods will take my request.
Dancing clothes. Yeah.
Anything specific?
With rain on it.
So clothes with rain. Okay, very nice.
And during the drought season, I typically wouldn't be wearing a tie because it's hot. I prefer just, t-shirt and shorts, but if I'm really desperate for the crops to get the water that they need from the rain, obviously, and I want to do a rain dance, then I'll throw on a shirt and tie. Sometimes a sport coat. I borrow that from Mr. Wimmer because I don't own them. And then I perform the dance.
How are they performed? Can you show us? Do you guys want to show us what you think a rain dance looks like? I think you do. I think you want to show us. Yes, you do. See, you're all smiling. You all want to. You're just fighting back the urge. We have instruments you can play. Some of you can dance. We want to know if you guys can actually do a rain dance. We are not headed to the gods of Central. This will show us if we can really get the rain. Let's go. Do you want to show us what you think a rain dance looks like?
I can YouTube it.
No, we want. What do you think it looks like?
Hey, this is a great question, and I'm glad I have an assistant here with some drums and some Congo thingy majabbers that are there. So go ahead, show them.
I already know what it looks like. This is all you. This is my
what they are
project.
assisting.
She can play the drums and you can dance.
Right there. Go ahead. Work it out. There you go. I have no idea what a rain dance would look like. I think it's just the flavor of what the Indians wanted to do. So I think it's kind of an individual artistic feel to it, and I wouldn't do it justice.
Great, man. Alrighty. So right now we're gonna be heading down to Mr. Hodges' room, an acting class. Hopefully there we'll get some dancers, because we need some. We need some rain. It's an acting 1 class, okay? Ready? Hello. Good. Would some of you like to show us what you think a rain dance looks like? Guys, we really need this because we've asked like many people and no one's doing it. So we need some. Get up here. We have musical instruments. There we go. That's right. Go up. We need a circle. I'm Lavinita from Apollo, and we just learned that everyone thinks that Africa is what made rain dances. But it's dry everywhere. Let's add some water. Scene.